We've looked on many things on blog creation. Today, let's learn how to post videos on blog. Now, what we need to do is that you should know how to upload videos to your YouTube. So check out the lecture on YouTube to learn how to upload your videos, monetize your videos so that you can make money when people watch your videos on YouTube. Okay, you can always come back to your post and create a new post entirely. This is the post we created. CSS3 by GSteve. So you can always come back here and add new post here. Over here, I have this video I uploaded to YouTube. So check out our video on YouTube to see how we uploaded video and monetize our videos on YouTube so that you can monetize your videos and start making money when people are watching your video on YouTube. So I'm going to copy this from here and minimize this. You can always refresh this page. So I have refreshed my page. Go over here. On top of this, you have using Blogger as GSteve. There is a new post here. Hit on new post and a new window opens entirely. So the title of this post is Video Lecture. Video Lecture by GSteve. So I'll hit on insert a video here from YouTube. Yes, I'm going to paste this video here and hit search. This is the promo video Cars roadmap. Wow, Cars roadmap. No problem. I'm going to hit on this. If I hit on this, I'll hit on select, and this is my video. You can see that it's very small. I'm going to teach you how to enlarge or expand your videos to any size you want. Move your mouse to HTML and compose over here and hit on HTML. Go to the width and change this width to 750, and you can change your height to maybe 500, no problem, and hit on compose. You can see that it is large now, and I want to add some text to the video. I will come back here and copy my text. This will be the text that we always use in this blog creation, and paste it here. Remember to select this and go over here and justify. Now you can preview this. Video Lecture by GSteve. This is it here, and it seems it's too big. Wow. Alright, you can always go back to HTML and change this to, you can see that everything has now moved, but the text that under HTML. So this is the width, which is 750, and your height should be here. Look very carefully to check where the height is and make some adjustment, like make it to be 350 or 300 and compose. You can always preview. The essence of previewing your design is to make sure that you meet up with what you need. You can see it is more better now. Close this and publish. You have now added another post again, and overall posts are 2 posts. So the more you add, the more it keeps being arranged for you. You can always go back and do it anyhow you want. Now click on View Blog, and this is what I have. So someone comes to my page and he will be seeing everything I have posted all this while. I will minimize this. Some people are posting on my Facebook. I am very sorry for that. So you can always click on this and this will open entirely and you read what is here. You can always click on home and go back to your home. You can come back and click on video. You see that? So let's play this video here. So you might not hear the sound of the video because I don't want it to disturb. So, but this is playing on my YouTube. How do you know? Down here you can see that this is YouTube. So when I click on YouTube, it opens another window entirely and you can see that it is the same video that is playing here, and it's still GST World Academy that owns this video. You can see that. I will close it here so that I will play it on my website so that I will make money when you are playing the video. So this is how you make money when people are playing your video on your website. Okay, you can see that. I created this video just for my lectures. So, introduction to web development. So I can always fast forward. You can see that you will build your first website with solid HTML5 from scratch. So these are just things it's telling you on the promo video. You will start all your web pages with pure CSS3 and go. So this is all about Judge Steve. So I will end this here. So this is all about creating our blog, and you can see how beautiful it is. Let me go ahead and close this. So in the next video, I will show us how to create different pages. This is different from our posts, so we can have different pages, and I will show us many more things we need to know on blog creation. I hope you are really enjoying this. So this is how you make money when people come to your blog. You also make money for people visiting your blog, and when people watch the videos you upload from YouTube on your blog, you still making money on YouTube. So there are many different ways of making money on the website, and that is why I want you to be a great web developer. So thank you, and see you in the next video lecture.